Hello everyone, I hope everyone is having a great day. And today this is a short little quick video where I'm gonna show you how you can remove your followers on Instagram. So open your Instagram app and then go to your profile, which is on down right corner. And as you can see, I've got one follower and I've followed 7 people. So I'm gonna click on the followers, and as you can see, there's a remove option. And if you click on the remove option, like this, the Instagram asks you if you want to remove follower. You have to either click on remove if you want to remove the person from your follower so that he or she cannot see your post, your story, or anything, your photos, anything related with you. So if you click on remove, there you go. Now I have I guess now I have 0 followers since I removed him from my followers. So I've got no followers now, and I follow a few people. So that is how you remove your followers. You just click on followers and then a list pops up where you can select each one of them and click on the remove button in order to remove them. So yes guys, that is how you remove followers. Thank you for watching the video.